Welcome to HealthSciety, your trusted guide to simple science-backed wellness. Imagine a diet where you can savor delicious food, improve your heart health, and even extend your life. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the Mediterranean diet, a timeless approach to eating that's backed by research and loved by millions. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from its origins to a simple meal plan you can start today. But first, hit subscribe to join our HealthSciety family for more life-changing guides. Visit healthsciety.com for free recipes, printable meal plans, and deep dives into today's topic. Stick around. Your journey to better health starts right here, right now. Section 1. Origins and Core Principles. Born in the sun-drenched coasts of Greece, Italy, and Spain, this diet isn't about restrictions. It's about celebration. Here's what makes it unique. Plant-based power, load up on fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. They're the stars of every meal. Healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. Replace butter and processed oils. Social and active lifestyle. It's not just food. Regular exercise and shared meals are key. Section 2. Proven health benefits. Why is this diet so famous? Let's dive into the science. Weight loss. Fiber-rich foods keep you full, while healthy fats curb cravings. No starvation needed. Heart health. Studies show a 30% lower risk of heart disease, thanks to olive oil and omega-3s. Longevity. Anti-inflammatory foods may add years to your life by fighting diseases like Alzheimer's. Section 3. What to eat versus what to avoid. Ready to stock your kitchen? Here's your cheat sheet. Eat daily. Veggies, tomatoes, spinach, fruits, berries, apples, whole grains, quinoa, oats, fish, olive oil. Limit and avoid processed snacks, red meat, sugary desserts, and refined grains. Section 4. Simple meal plan. Here's a simple day of eating to get you started. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts. Lunch, quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumbers, and lemon tahini dressing. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted veggies and a drizzle of olive oil. Snack, hummus with carrot sticks. Section 5. Debunking myths. Let's bust some myths. It's all about wine and olive oil. Truth, balance is key. Focus on variety. You can't lose weight. Truth, many shed pounds naturally without counting calories. Section 6. Sustainability tips. Make it stick with these expert tips. Dining out. Choose grilled fish, salads with olive oil and whole grain sides. Family friendly. Get kids involved. Make DIY Mediterranean bowls. Long-term habits. Start with one change per week, like swapping butter for olive oil. Section 7. FAQ plus call to action. Got questions? We've got answers. Can vegetarians follow this diet? Absolutely. Load up on beans, lentils, and veggies. When will I see results? Energy boosts in weeks. Long-term benefits take a few months. And finally, if you enjoyed this guide, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite Mediterranean food? Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.